In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom crosshair in Valorant on your PC to improve your aiming and gameplay. Step 1. Open Valorant and go to Settings. Launch Valorant on your PC. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Crosshair tab. On Settings, click on the Crosshair tab. Step 3. Customize your crosshair. Here, you can adjust various options. Crosshair color. Pick a color that stands out against most backgrounds. Outlines. Toggle outlines on or off and adjust thickness. Center dot. Enable or disable the center dot. Inner and outer lines. Adjust the length, thickness, and opacity. Movement and firing error. Enable if you want the crosshair to react to movement and shooting. Step 4. Use crosshair codes, optional. If you want to use a pro player's crosshair, go to Import Profile and enter their crosshair code. You can find these codes online or in Valorant communities. Step 5. Test your crosshair. After customizing, go to the shooting range and test your new crosshair to see if it fits your style. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Valorant tips and tricks.